Frequency drops. For some, it is a scientific sensation, for others, a product of the new age. Albert Einstein said back then that the medicine of the future will be the medicine of frequencies. Even doctors, therapists, and skeptics were amazed at the results that the frequency drops brought to light. The stability tests were particularly impressive. Athletes and high-performance sports people report that the impulse drops make it noticeably easier for them to reach their peak performance. There were also hardly any perceptible signs of fatigue and exhaustion after taking the drops. The frequency drops work by supporting the body's natural vibrations. A special equalizing frequency is stored in the drops, which is transmitted to every cell after ingestion. This makes it possible to restore optimal cell communication at 65 Hz. This reduces cell stress and improves communication between the cells. The development of the frequency drops took 10 years of intensive research. Before they are packaged, they undergo a 160-hour frequencyization process. The focus is on the well-being and vital energy of people, in harmony with innovative products for the modern age. The revolutionary frequency drops are a forward-thinking product designed to help people experience more zest for life, vitality, and performance. Thanks to their unique frequencies, they work naturally to increase well-being, balance energy levels, and promote mental clarity. People with physical disabilities or language barriers can also benefit from the frequency drops,